Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to create a survey or questionnaire using Google Forms in 2025. Whether you're a student gathering feedback, a business owner collecting customer opinions, or just curious about tools, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Google Forms is free, easy to use, and packed with features to make your surveys professional and engaging. Let's dive right in. First, head over to forms.google.com or open it from your Google Drive. If you're new, just sign in with your Google account. Once you're there, click on the plus blank button to start a new form. This opens a clean canvas for your survey. Next, give your form a catchy title and a brief description to set the context. For example, title it Customer Feedback Survey and add a description like, "Help us improve our services." Now, let's add questions. Click on the Add Question button and choose your question type. Options include multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, or even a scale for ratings. For each question, you can make it required, add answer choices, and include images or videos for more interactivity. To make your form pop, customize it further. Go to the Customize Theme icon to change colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Don't forget to check the Settings tab to decide how responses are collected, whether you want to limit to one response per person or allow file uploads. Once everything looks good, hit the Send button. You can share the link via email, social media, or embed it on a website. After your survey is live, you can view responses in real time through the Responses tab. Google Forms even provides charts and summaries to analyze the data quickly. Pro tip: use the Add Collaborators feature if you want to work with a team. And there you have it. You've just created a professional survey in minutes. Google Forms is a game changer for 2025, making data collection effortless. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.